struggle for you.
Hey, I'd like to see you try this. Alright? I can't twerk. Is there someone coming?
No.
Okay. I don't think I can twerk.
Just try.
Okay. Like, do I prop myself up? Like, I could just go like this and be like, guys, I can't, I have no It's not gonna work. I can't twerk. Oh, God, I'm falling over. Alright, I can try, but this is not gonna look like twerk. I can't even use my knees. I need to be more spread out.
No, just do just do this one more time.
I need to be like this.
No, just
This
kick
is
out
standing up.
one more time because it
I
looks
want
so.
to try to twerk.
Just do it one more time. It's so funny.
What, like this? Like
Like kick.
big-
Yeah, just do it. Just kick.
Okay. I might fall backwards though.
That's okay.
I'm stuck. Seriously, help me, I'm stuck. Can't move. Please help me. Stuck.
Getting this on video, so. Are you really stuck?
Yes. Help me. I don't know how to help this. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Oh.
And twerk. And out. Twerk.
No, you should try to plank.
I really can't. Okay, ready? Ready?
No, you should do an owl. Do an owl.
How do you do an owl?
This.
You go like this.
That would be perfect for you. You just stand up and go like this. Just do it.
Like how?
Now stand up a little more.
Am I doing it?
Shows like fudge.
You run like this.
I feel like she's gonna fall.
Cross. Okay. Guys, I can do the grapevine. And this.
I bet you could duck walk.
Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh my god, like so fucked up.
I can do this.
This is real life right now. It's really happening.
Where am I going? Oh god. And jump.
Was that the grand finale?
Oh, I got a good grand finale. Hold on, I gotta think of it. I just know I got a good one. I could try to do step. I could do like a jumping step. Like the runner. Or I'm stuck again.
Oh, you have to.
I lost.
Now you really have grand finale. Are you stuck again?
Oh my god.
Here, you want me to read it?
Yeah.
What do I do?
I don't know. You said you had a grand finale.
What I do?
Let's go back.
I could just do a velocity dip.
Do it.
Play hands in the air. I got this.
Oh boy.